Well, I'm replacing parts on this Jeep again, go figure. It's a 2010 Wrangler two-door with a 3.8. Yeah, the older one, I know. It's a great motor. Problem of the day. For the second time, my transfer case connection has failed. Let me get you down in there. And I've already changed bushings on it. They have dry rotted. Next thing, the gear shifter has done the exact same thing. So on the hood of this Jeep, you're looking at gear shifter cable and transfer case cable. One of them is a Dorman, the other is an OPR. And we're gonna get in here and change all this jazz. This is wonderful. So we're gonna make this simple, I guess. There's some bolts way down in there. Gotta get those out. We'll just rock and roll and get it done. I should have bought a 6-speed. I should have talked it to my wife. Told her about a Rubicon. How the value'd be just right. But I'm sitting here turning a 10 mil. Gonna take all day. Just because this gear shifter won't play. Anytime, anytime. This is what I'm doing in my life. It's alive. Had to roll the car to here. There's 4 high, 4 low. Bushing's in great shape. On there. Driver's side. There. Driver's side. The one in gear, parking, transmission, gear shift. I can't talk. Got it up underneath. We're gonna button her all up. We're done. Nightmare. Absolute nightmare.